Neutral Density ND4 filter, Z153, with 2-stop density. Gradual Neutral Density GND4 filter, Z121M, with 2-stop density and hard-edge transition. Everything you need to get started, including Z Pro filter holder, L size, and a set of 4 adapter rings in 67, 72, 77, 82 mm diameters. Made in France. Top reviews from the United States. Can't really beat it for the price and works as promised. At this price point, I was expecting some imperfections with the image, some more noticeable fringing and/or color cast. However, it was fairly minimal. The ND filter that came in the kit was just dark enough to do some longer exposures, but it's only a 2-stop, so don't expect to be able to dramatically increase for super long exposures. I'll likely get their ND32 5-stop if my math is right. I don't do a whole ton of landscapes on a professional level, however I use ND filters so I don't have to use HSS and can keep my exposure settings within sync speed.